can hear me. So my name is Fatima. I work with Western Health in the vaccination hub. I do a lot of vaccination for patients. So today I'm going to talk about mostly on children. Does anyone know what COVID is?
No.
What is that? That's a good question. So COVID-19 is a virus, okay? When you get this virus, you're going to get sick.
What happens to you when you get it?
Yes, you're going to get sick. That's a good question. You're going to get sick, you're going to get... You're going to get sick, you might experience fever, headache, muscle ache, which is not good, okay? This virus is deadly. Some people get better when they get it. Some people get seriously ill when they do get it. So it's really important to get vaccinated. And Australia just announced that the vaccine for children 5 to 11, they can get it in 10 of January, inshallah. So after 10 of January, you guys can get your first dose. So a lot of questions, is the vaccine safe for children? And the answer is yes, it is safe. So you get 2 doses for children, same as the adult. You get the first dose, and then you get the second dose in 8 weeks. A lot can change in a couple of weeks. After 10 of January, when they start getting the vaccine for children, it could be lower than 8 weeks or it could be more, just depending on all the people that get it as soon as possible. The booking is available from, I think, was it 15th of December. So now you can, if you guys have parents here, you can get your vaccine through online. You can Google it, COVID-19 Vaccination Center, and get your booking straight away now, because you won't find booking, especially the start of January or end of February. So it's really important to call any centers that is near you. You can get it from GBs, you can get it from pharmacies, you can get it from community centers if they offer the vaccine. So the earlier the better, so then all of us are protected from this virus. So I will pass it down to if any parents or any children have questions, and then I will answer it as best as I can.
All right, students, it's an opportunity for you guys to ask if you have got any question about COVID-19 vaccination for children. Okay, I can see Hanad there. Hanad, can you come here? All right,
When you get a vaccination, how does it work? Like, what is it?
How does it work?
No, like, what is it? What do they do to you? The people that give you the vaccine. What do you do to you?
Yes. So you know how we get the virus? Yeah. The virus is not good. Yeah. So we have the virus. So what the vaccine do, it protects you from the virus.
And he's asking, what do they do to you when they give you the vaccination?
Or what they do to you. So they inject you with something in your arm. For a few seconds, and you won't harm.
Okay, someone else is asking a question. Okay, can you come here? I can't hear you. Adar, what was your name? Rahima is asking a question about COVID-19 vaccination. Okay, what was your question?
What happens when you get the shot?
What happens when you get the shot?
So that's a good question. So you get 2 shots, first dose and second dose. The first one, it gives you protection to protect you from the virus. So if you get the first one, second one, it gives you strong immune system to protect you against the virus. Yes?
Good. Well done. Thank you, Fatima, and thank you, Abdi, for asking that question. All right, Ahmed Adus is here to ask a question.
Does the vaccine kill you? No, like, does the virus kill you?
Does the virus kill you?
chance that it can kill you. So that's why the vaccine was introduced, so you can protect yourself.
All right, one more. Okay, the last question. All right, okay.
What's the side effects to the vaccine?
All right, so what was your name?
Ryan.
Ryan is asking, what is the side effects of the vaccine?
Yes, so the side effects, there's a lot of side effects. Everyone's different, but the common ones, you might experience fever, muscle ache, your muscle gets so tired, you feel tiredness, you feel headache sometimes, nausea, sometimes chest pain, which some are normal, some are severe. If you do get the chest pain and difficulty breathing after the vaccine, you go straight to the emergency.
Well done, thank you. Okay, Adar, go ahead.
Does the vaccine fully protect you?
Does the vaccine fully protect you?
Nice question.
Well, look, to be honest, I have been attending COVID-19 vaccination information session for the last 6 months, and I haven't seen people asking such wonderful questions and important questions. I know I can say kids are more important than us, adults and parents, because they are asking important questions that we didn't even ask the healthcare professionals. Thank you very much for asking such important questions. Okay. All right, now, your question will be answered. Can you all listen?
So your question was, does the vaccine
fully protect you?
Okay, so the answer is no and yes. Okay, that's why if you get the first one, second one, it does give you 97% against this virus. So yes, it can protect you, but there is cases where you have to keep getting the vaccine. I'm not sure yet for children, but you might get every 6 months, every year to keep yourself protected as long term.
Well then, can we all say thank you to Fatima?
Thank you.